What's up guys, it's the Metalist Gaming here, and after days of struggle I've worked out the easiest and simplest and quickest and safest way to install Windows 11. This method is incredibly fast and simple. You don't need the latest processor or TPM or secure boot. It will work on anything and any device. You don't need any sort of coding, and don't worry, you won't lose any of your data when downloading Windows 11.
Okay, you're going to be following me along with this. So, the first thing that we're going to want to do,
Download the iOS file, link in the description of this
and
video.
then let's bring that over for you guys right here. So this is what we have, and I'm guessing we click set download Windows 11, download, choose language, we're going to English, confirm, hours from time of creation. 64 GB download, and let's get that downloading. Okay, then we're going to want to apparently create a new folder. So it will download in your downloads folder, so we can just do it in there. New folder. I'm going to call it Win 11. Do it the same, so it looks the same as mine. I'm just going to wait for that to download. See, it's doing it exactly as it goes. 4 minutes left apparently. It's quite a big file, but I've got good Wi-Fi, so it should be downloading.
And with the power of editing, it has finished downloading.
Guys, it is now downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you want to open the file location, which will likely be here. Then you want to right click and hit extract files. Then you want to go to downloads and your Win11 file. Click on it, it will highlight blue and hit OK. You can use this using a software called WinRAR. You can download it, it's easy. I'm not going to download it because it's too easy. You can't do that. There's no point in installing Windows 11 because that is one of the most clinical and basic things to download. It's literally following a download tutorial where you hit next about 3 times and then it's downloading for you. We'll wait for them to extract into there and then we'll get on to the next step.
After that, go to the Google Drive link in my description and download this file named Brazius.
Wait for the Google Drive link to open. Then you can close that. Then you'll get this thing here called the whatever. Then you want to save it in your downloads. It will now show there. No, there. What you want to do is you want to right click on it and hit the right click on it and then hit copy. Then go into Windows 11 sources, right click on an open area and then hit paste. Replace the file destination, yeah, click that one. And so basically what that file does, you just make sure you can download it, like who gives a crap. Yes, you want to install. You guys are probably going to disappear now. Any second. Change how the setup download, and you want to click this one. You want to click that. Recommended. Not right now. We don't need that. That's how now it should work. You click the other one, you can do that. Don't care. You get to the end or near the end at 10% and then it will revert you backwards because whatever, it decides to revert you backwards. So this is why this should work. This method apparently shows. But yeah, it's once in there. Okay, that's right. Install Windows 11 Home, keep personal files and apps. Yes, going to do that. And now we are installing Windows 11 and
Installation of Windows 11. Once that is finished downloading, you'll straight away log in like normal on your computer and you'll be greeted with Windows 11. Thank you for watching today's video, guys. If you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe. It really does help out the channel. If you enjoyed the editing, leave a like and let me know down below, as the editing took me 3 hours plus. A long time. Please leave